I got this package from a client who wants me to mix two different types of colors, to mix them and blend them thoroughly so that it forms one color. So stay tuned. If you're here for the first time, my channel is all about hairstyling, hairstyles. I do hairstyles on not only on myself but as well on others. So if you love such videos, hit that subscribe button so you wouldn't want to miss out on my upcoming uploads. I am into fashion as well, so if you're a girly who likes to augment your style, who like to look good all the time, especially at an affordable rate, you are at the right place. So for today, I'm going to be showing you all how I'm going to blend the two shades of red thoroughly. But firstly, I'm going to put you through how I decide to uneven the extensions. You have to make sure that uneven first. Most people usually go in for the pre-stretch because they don't want to go through this process because it takes a lot of time. But the client asks for medium-sized braids, and with medium-sized braids I don't like the pre-stretch version because it always looks very thin underneath. So I decided to go in for the full extensions, where I decided to stretch it out myself, as you saw me doing earlier. When you're done, make sure that you brush it out thoroughly, and I decided to repeat the same process with the other shade of red. If you're doubting which colors actually they are, one is burgundy and the other one is 1033. Yes, those are the two colors. Mind you, when you are in the process of stretching this out, you have to hold the extensions firmly while you pull the little pieces upwards in a vigorous manner. If you don't hold it up well, you're going to lose lots of hair, and same goes when you're brushing it. So when you're starting the process of trying to blend both colors together, this is very crucial, so look at it carefully. The very first step, in order not to lose so much hair and to make sure that the blending is very smooth, take very little portions of each of the colors and you put them over each other. You keep on repeating the process over and over. When you put one color over the other, you split it into two, then put it over again and you split it into two. You keep on repeating the process. You can also always see through where which color needs which color, and you keep on inserting it in between and splitting into two. But you have to do it very gently so it doesn't get tangled and you lose hair, especially as you're getting it done for someone else. You don't want to have extra expenditure where you have to buy more hair, so you have to do it very gently and nicely, where it's going to be very smooth at the end. At the same time, you're going to have a flawless result, like you can see right now how I achieved the mix of colors already. And voila, here is the final result of everything that I blended together. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and don't forget to share to your loved ones as well. Thank you all for watching.